Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Forza Horizon 4 unable to join session. It's easy. If you want to fix it, click here and then type network, view network connections, then select your connection, right click on it and click properties, and then click protocol internet version 4, and then make sure to update make sure to make it like that. Select second option here and type those numbers here and then click OK and OK again, and after that type here type here CMD, right click on it, click run as administrator and click yes. Now once you're here, type those comments. First one, type ipconfig//dns and click enter, and then type netwin sock reset and click enter. And now the last thing you need to do, right click click here and click Windows Update Settings, and that's it. Make sure to install all the updates that you can find, and now restart your PC, and after restarting your PC, your problem must be fixed. Just run Forza Horizon as administrator, and that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.